Do you have difficulty having those important, crucial conversations with your team, your peers, or your bosses? Do you put them off? Today more than ever, leaders, managers, and small business owners are struggling to have honest, open, and crucial conversations with staff regarding performance. And it's affecting the bottom line. In the last 15 years of working with leaders, managers, and small business owners to transform their teams and business results, one of the key behaviours and skills that leaders constantly struggle with is having honest and open conversations with their team, particularly regarding performance that isn't meeting expectations. No matter what your industry or profession, you can't afford not to have conversations that make a difference. But to have these conversations, you have to know what to say, when to say it, and how. In this one-day, hands-on Performance Management Essentials workshop, you'll learn how to boost your confidence and learn how to get to the point, how to use the right words to ensure understanding, optimize your personal feedback to staff through targeted coaching, grow your skill in dealing with personal issues and uncomfortable conversations. You'll learn how to prevent having the same conversation with team again and again. And you'll design and frame a crucial conversation and apply it in our performance management simulator. You'll also understand your personal communication style and how to adapt to others. This workshop is unique because of its focus on practice and the ability to use our performance management simulator. Just like a pilot practicing key skills in their sim, we do the same through the use of practice, feedback, review, and more practice with trained acting staff and master facilitators. Previous participants have told us that this has an enormous impact on their confidence and ability to have a difficult conversation. If you're looking to achieve higher performance and looking to be able to deliver a crucial conversation, get in touch with us today.